Today I'm building a Sidetable out of this piece of oak that I got for 30 euros at the hardware store. First I need to cut it up into two pieces. One of them is going to be the back side of the table. It's good to measure everything twice, but sometimes even that won't help. Measure twice, cut twice. So now I'm cutting everything down to final length. And then I am adding a round over to the top and the bottom plate. After that I'm rounding over every edge. I leave the inside corners, so I can round them over later when the table is assembled, and hopefully getting a smoother round over. I'm connecting everything with dowels, and for that I'm using a dowel jig, with which I've had good and bad times. Now it's time for the glue up, and that went very easy. Only thing to watch out is that everything is square. Scraping off excess glue and realizing that the glue up wasn't perfect. Nothing too bad, and the perfect opportunity for me to use my planer. But after that I have to round over the edges again. Now I'm rounding over the plain side and the corners as well. I'm still left with a little edge, and for that I'm using a small hand plane with a more tilted blade to not accidentally rip out any of the end grain. Eventually you couldn't feel the difference between the top and the side plate. Now I'm mixing up some wood filler to fill up some cracks in the wood. Now only thing left to do is the final sanding and applying finish. I'm very happy with how it turned out. Another quick, easy and cheap build. Thank you for watching.